An arpeggio is a group of notes based on the scale it comes from. You can also think of it as a chord or triad. When first learning arpeggios, focus on their relationship to the scale. This is when we usually practice them, along with our scales. For example, the D major arpeggio comes from the D major scale and is made up of the first, third, and fifth notes of the scale. D, F sharp, A. When you practice them, you practice first, third, fifth, and first again at the top. This is the formula to find any arpeggio from any scale, major or minor. First, third, fifth, and first at the top. Remember also that arpeggios, just like scales, keep going into multiple octaves. So just like a 2-octave scale, a 2-octave arpeggio would go first, third, fifth, first, third, fifth, first, and then back down. The subscribe button needs no arpeggiation. It's just the one something, so easy. If only scales and arpeggios were that easy. If you'd like to know more about online lessons or learning with me online, please check out my website, thecello.online. There you will find links to learn more about me, as well as a store page where you can purchase video exchange lessons. In these lessons, you will send me a video and I will respond with a video. This allows us to learn online with much better audio quality than FaceTime or Zoom. If you already have a teacher, please check out my Suzuki Cello supplements. These can be purchased on the website and will supplement your learning in an incredible way. Thanks, and I will see you in the next one.